Thank you, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, world courts, assemblies. Your attention, please. In the event extraordinary events might have occurred, I repeat, extraordinary events have and might have been considered have taken place here. Extraordinary events. Blah, blah, blah. Something to say about our treaty. Special amendments of our treaties that outline an open policy in the event extraordinary events transpire. If we would proceed, please. Thank you. Your attention. These particular individuals here, ladies and gentlemen, come to our attention. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, Your Honor, world court judges, all assembly leaders are here. And regrettably, for the time being, magicians, fireproof, and nuclear proof. Also, beast metamorphosis with alien creatures and animals of prey on the earth and in the earth. Blah, blah, blah. Magicians. Candor. To secrecy. The Security Council members, most distinguished members of Security Council, exclusive, love, 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 thank you. Love, love, love. Yep. Pretending you don't know how to put out mock submission, potential catastrophes. Nuclear fireproof individuals and fire people, as much as the force of nature here let you get away with for a while there. Other types of management styles, please, if we could consider, please. Other management styles like cardio and muscular stimulation and electropulse stimulation to encourage the humans, what's left of the humans, so would lead to evolve in a more productive and considerable manner and law-abiding manner. De-evolute sorcery is not a path that the petitioner, victim, and claimant wishes us to proceed in, especially too muchy. If we could consider the words and meditations of our of this particular individual's countenance, if possible. Thank you. And cares and concerns. Thank you, sir. Love, love, love. Not rectal pleasure, degressive mischief. Two wrongs don't make a right, in my opinion. If I don't want to, I want to get mad at you for doing that all and then defeat purpose. Go to the right, evolve further, utopian order, in the interest of uphold life, or go to the left, regress and complain about everything. Right, right, evolve, good, love, evolve, life, love. Not a laughing matter to me. Many other humans might be busy working or doing what they got to do, but they're not necessarily sworn in to uphold, protect, preserve, defend public safety. Some of them, a lot of them, or those that are. I can answer for me, myself, and I. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, sir. Public safety interest is not to abuse supernatural powers, in my opinion. We'll submitting, if it could be considered to do suchly. It's not abuse these type of powers and to utilize them in the interest of utopian order. Thank you. Love, love, love. in one ear and out the other ear isn't what I really appreciate either about it. You know, even I could have died from the Japanese nuclear, the tsunami warning system. I see federal emergency management is abusive, cares not that they are killed the human race racket to my face. Oh, that's what you have to say to me? Well, we killed the human race. So there. That's my defense to Stevie's address advisements here. Not a good defense to me. Two wrongs don't make a right. 5 billion wrongs don't make a right. Any way you see it, in my opinion. We'll submit. Thank you. Blah, 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 blah. Get that, Mr. President, sir? ¿Entiendes, por favor? Thank you, Mr. Director, Federation. Your distinguished member. Very difficult, kind of difficult situation. It's going to require a lot of patience, a lot of virtue, a lot of understanding, a little bit of time, a little bit of determined efforts, a little bit of goodwill. It might suggest it might take some of these traits and these particulars to make a more fuller contribution to our efforts to sustain human life, uphold the human life, and not feed the interests of a de-evolute source that feeds on human life. Love, love, love. Lives, life, lives. So the plaintiff, the claimant, victim, perhaps the contactee, the prophet, what have us, submits that it'd be in a good and better, perhaps, interest for us to make optimum use out of the said to be global telepathic divine communion entity. And when we say or insinuate optimum use, that could or would or might be construed as considering a program of utilization which encompasses the notion of WMD and nuclear disarmament, if that be something to consider. Thank you very much. Thank you, sir, Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen of the jury, distinguished members, the Security Council, UN assemblies. Thank you. Love, love, love. Hungry crocodiles not laughing. They're hungry. Eat children. Not very nice. Want to lie about it? Is that the get mad about it? Nuclear and fireproof too, sure. Well, we have to make some kind of arrangements here. We're caught. It looks like we're caught. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. It might be okay. I submit to your general higher understanding and authority of the LORD, if possible, to consider you higher understanding of the LORD, that nuclear and fireproof abuse of power might be okay with some of the people some of the time. And 911 co-CRIMEE accomplice, abuse of psychic and clairvoyant capabilities, every iota of government rancor might be okay with some of the people some of the time to induce terror and killing and death to the human race. plaintiff wishes to submit to a higher understanding in the authority of a GOD or omnipotent force, that abuse of this power is not tolerable and is unlawful. And we need to make some changes if it would be something to consider. Please, it's not asking that much. Thank you very much. If you consider the particulars and the efforts that we give and gave, and those that have sacrificed, that their efforts not have been in vain. Thank you. Love, love, love. Love, love, love. Homosexual seismicships in effort to control and empower what's left of the human and beguile humans into believing it's okay to do so is intolerable as well, despite Jimmy Moon's rancor and terrorist threats. Rappors. You're all party to, I see. And that's intolerable as well, I submit. Ladies and gentlemen, jury, Your Honor, whether it be from Wall Street to the sands of Tehran, this type of conduct is deplorable, in my opinion. Baiting traps to empower humans in a force they are not aware of by psyching and citing it's okay to anally copulate. And other tricks and treats. Not really treats either. Don't worry, devil and a witch. Not for. Love, love, love. Other circles known as magicians and witches as well. Love, love, love. Got that, senor? Compadre, senor, sir? No es bueno. La otra. La pronunciación para hombres y hombrecitas está bien. Mágicos que tienes surprises, no bueno. Señor, sir, mi jefe, sir, compadre, sir, un muchacho bueno, buenísimo. Gracias. Gracias, señor. Bla, 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 el presidente, sir. Gracias.
El resultado de la votación es el siguiente. Cédulas depositadas 15, cédulas nulas 0, abstenciones 0, cédulas válidas 15. La señora Shue Hankin recibió 15 votos. Por consiguiente, ha obtenido la mayoría de votos requeridos del Consejo de Seguridad.
Okay, we're going to close this opening statements here. We're expecting UN security members and their proxy police forces, agents, like the U.S. Police, U.S. Secret Service, who's out of line, I say, and I add, and I don't appreciate, psyching and citing. Nuclear proof is A-OK, and don't say anything about it, or else. I don't appreciate either. We'll submit. I don't want to sound like I'm consternate about it, but I wouldn't do that to you, would I? Love, love, love. Psyching and citing. Do it to others and do it to yourself, or something to consider, please. Love, 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 love. We'll be back, if it be okay, to ask, consider the particulars of this matter. Get back to us with open arms, open hands, hand in hands, open hearts, open invitations. That peace be spoken, and the doors will open in that particular concern, those particular iotas of concerns. Thank you very much. Now establish peace on earth, grant peace to us, all who come endowed with conscience and reason, if it be your will, speedily in our time. O Lord, thou magnificent, Love, love, love. Remember us, your creation. Amen, amen.